Okay, so what we're going to do today is I've got my Andis Pro Alloy. I really like this clipper. The only problem is after you use it for a little while, it's really bad about that lever getting loose. And I've seen where a lot of people have just thrown them away at that point. um, but this will be the second time that I've done this. So there is a way to tighten them up and continue to use them. So first thing you're going to want to do, take those off. The threads aren't very thick on them, so they come off pretty easy. Then you're going to take this off. And then what you're going to do next is take the lever screw out. Now you take this completely off, and you'll always find some hair in there. I'll get something here in a minute and get this hair out. But there's also inside there, it will kind of fool you, but there is a barrier right there, a foam of some type. So you want to leave that in there. Okay. So now this is the piece that we want to deal with right now. Okay. This is the piece that will slides up and down. And you'll see this side here that's got the hole in it. That is the side that you'll screw your handle back into. Okay? So, now, what you want to do, I like to take a big pair of channel locks. Like so. And then I'm going to bend that in. That should do it. So then, since you've bent it in some, it is going to make it a little more difficult to get in there. I might have got a little too crazy with it. So if I have, then I'll open it up just a bit. And it is. I'm going to open it up just a little bit. Now, the whole point of this is to make it, there we go, tight. Okay, as you can see, it's back on. Now then, I'm going to take my handle, I'll put the handle back on. Oop. And as you can tell now, you probably can't tell because you're not using it, but as you can see, this handle is now when I turn these on now, that's not going to vibrate this up. So, now then, you just take these and nope, it's still in there. Now then, you're gonna gap these. This is my finish clipper. So the purpose of this clipper is just to do my finish up work, so I don't want these zero gapped. So if you can see how that is, you'll see I didn't take them all the way to the top. If I was going to zero gap these, then it would be something more along that line. See how you can't hardly tell where this stops, and that's zero gapping. Like I said, this is my finish clipper. So I like to leave them. I'm not using any guards with it. This is just to, at the very end of my haircut, to just do my flick up when I'm going around the ears and I'm doing the neck. And that allows me to do that. And it not pinch, or because all we're trying to do with this clipper is produce a clean cut and taper. So now it's all done. Much better. It's tight. Now the vibration of this clipper is not going to hinder this to go up and down. Andis Pro Alloy. My favorite clipper to finish with. Hope you learned something in this, and it'll help you when working with yours. Thanks.